Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. So in today's video, I'm going to go through how you register for VAT or value added tax in Ireland. It's the same process whether you're a sole trader or a company. It's actually pretty simple. There's a few prerequisites to it. One, that I assume you're going to already have decided you want to register for VAT or you must register for VAT. Two, you have to have a ROS online account, so that's Revenue Online Services. That's the screen I'm on here. Sorry, I'll just click out of that. So it's ros.ie. You should be able to see a certificate here if you already have it. So let's log in and get to the video. Okay, so I'm just going to log in and I'm going to register us for VAT. Okay, so you'll be go on to My Services, which is the correct page. You will most likely need to be the ROS administrator to actually do this, or you'll need to have access to manage your taxes. So you're going to scroll right down to under Other Services, and you're going to come down here to where it says Manage Tax Registrations. Okay, so I'm just waiting for it to go in. A list of which ones you're already registered for. So I'm going to go down to Value Added Tax. So underneath it says Not Registered. So I'm going to click on Register. Going to go into it. So then you're going to be presented with this screen. So a few details you have to add here. So the date you want to register from, I'm just going to leave it as today. Your accounting in period, just the day and the month. So it's 1st of the 12th. Okay, return basis. Now there's a couple of different choices. So you've got your cash basis, which is usually for very small. Most companies are invoice basis, so I'm going to pick invoice basis. Your turnover, I'm just going to say 100k, just so it's over the VAT threshold. Okay, is your business only registered for receipt of services from abroad and to serve account for VAT? Sorry, self account for VAT. No, it's not. Will your business engage in the supply of goods or services? I'm just probably say yes to that one. So then you need to please tick the appropriate box and provide a brief description of. So you're going to have to say, is it goods you're registering for, or is it services? So it's different. It depends on what it is. State the storage and distribution address, so you can put it in here. I'm just going to type, I don't know, test. And state the courier. I'm just going to say, I don't want to say on post. Doesn't really matter depending on whoever you're using. Postponed account. Do you intend to import goods from outside the EU? Maybe, maybe not. Sometimes. If yes, do you wish to be considered for postponed accounting of VAT? You'll need to decide that yourself. Everyone will be different. The majority of people are no, but So inter-community activities. So this will decide whether you need to do, EC sales returns or VISE returns or things like that. You should answer yes to the following questions if you intend to trade with VAT registered businesses in the EU member states and wish to apply VAT at zero. So this will be a thing, like where you're going to basically, from the EU, you won't be charged VAT, or you could be charged VAT, but it'll be as 23% for your sales and 23% for your purchases. So, it'll essentially be zero, it will be. So basically, you're going to need to answer these questions. It'll all depend on your own business. Okay, reason for registration. Your turnover or levels of EU acquisitions are likely to exceed the limits prescribed by the law. Whether it does or not, that's up to you. Whether you wish to elect to be taxable, although not obliged to. So, one of these has to apply to you, so you have to decide which one is important for you. Okay, so I suppose I'll have to pick one. I'm just going to say this one here. Account details for VAT returns. So you need to put in your details of the number, your account number, account name, sort code, and account number. These will be for your basically Irish. Developer landlord property details. Does this registration relate to property development? I'm going to say nope. I don't know if it'll let me without putting in the tax details. Let's have a look and see. It says something is wrong. It's the brief description of the goods. I'm just going to say I didn't write anything in. I'm just going to say goods. Okay, click next. And here's your request. So now you can click submit and you'll submit and be registered for VAT. You can edit it if you want to make any changes, or you can cancel it. So you just need to click submit. I'm not going to do it as I don't actually want to register for VAT at this very minute. And you'll need to also put in, once you get past this screen, you'll need to put in your certificate and your password, and then the registration document will be sent off to revenue, and you'll hear back pretty quickly generally. So that's how you do it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give the video a big thumbs up. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. All right. Thanks for watching, everyone.